Find dy by dx of the function x to the power y plus y to the power x equals to 1. So then let x to the power y is equals to u and y to the power x is equals to v. Hence u plus v equals to 1. Therefore du by dx plus dv by dx is equals to 0, since differentiation of a constant is equals to 0. Now take u is equals to x to the power y. Take natural logarithm on both the sides. We get log u is equals to log x to the power y, that is y log x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get 1 by u du by dx is equals to, take product rule, log x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx of log x, which is du by dx is equals to u into log x dy by dx plus y by x. Replace the value of u, we get du by dx equals to x to the power y into log x into dy by dx plus y by x. Similarly, take v is equals to y raised to x. Take natural logarithm on both the sides. We get log v is equals to x log y. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. We get 1 by v dv by dx is equals to log v y into d by dx of x plus x into d by dx of log y. This is the product rule for RHS. Cross multiplying v on the RHS, we get dv by dx is equals to v into log y plus x dy by y dx. Hence dv by dx is equals to y to the power x into log y plus x dy upon y dx. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we get x to the power y into log x dy by dx plus y to the y by x plus y to the power x into log y plus x dy upon y dx is equals to 0. Collect dy by dx terms. We get x to the power y log x plus xy to the power x minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to minus of yx to the power y minus 1 plus y to the power x log y. Hence dy by dx is equals to yx to the power y minus 1 plus y to the power x log y whole upon x to the power y log x plus xy to the power x minus